Click API extraction. Select the country where the IP address resides. Select proxy protocol, data format and delimiter. Generate API link. Open link. Copy this IP and open Alayu browser. Click on Environment Management. Create a new environment. Select a platform. Select your own network. Add a new network. Determine the proxy type. Paste the IP and port you copied earlier. Detect network. Click Save after obtaining network information successfully. Start the proxy. This indicates that the proxy is successfully set up.